spicy shrimp and cheese grits with hash brown. That's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. I should have brought you all along as I prepared these grits. I'm going to enjoy this. You all enjoy the video. I'm going to share with you how I created this beautiful wall decor piece as seen on my Tablescape Tuesday video and the inspiration behind it. Please enjoy as I do this. Hi guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel again. Today I am recreating a design from another creator. Her name is Designs by Christina Renee. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. For my old subscribers, my oldies and goodies, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This channel would be absolutely nothing without you guys. I appreciate you so, so much. So, so much. If you are a new subscriber, thank you. For this video, I am using 8 of the 5x7 Hatch style photo frames. And I'm going to spray paint them beige. And I am using 6 of the 8x10 silver photo frames. Isn't that baby just precious? I wish I knew who she was because I would just love on her. I'm 62 and I don't have any grandkids. So I'm going to go ahead and take the wrappers off of all of these and spray paint them. And I'll be back. I'm going to hydro dip some plexiglass to go in my frames. I've used this technique about 3 times before and I kind of like it. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, so you get the idea of what I'm doing. And I'm going to finish the rest off camera. And these are dry and they turn out pretty good. I'm going to put one in the frame so you can see how that's looking. And then I'll do the rest off camera. I'm taking some B7000 and I'm just putting it in the corners. And then I'm just going to put a little hot glue in with it to make it hold instantly. And that is how that looks. Right here, I'm using a spacer in between the frames to try to keep the same distance between all of the frames. And right here, I'm using a piece of wood and a leveler to try to get them straight as possible going across. You can choose to use double-sided nano tape or glue for your frames. I'm just finishing this wall decor up, then hang it on the wall.